Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ananya MK. I am studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering in Department of Information Science and Engineering. Subject name Digital Design and Computer Organization. Subject code BCS302. USN 1V23IS004. Topic Flip-flops has storage element. Introduction to the flip-flop. Now you are going to know about give some information about the flip-flops. Flip-flops are fundamental building blocks in a digital electronics. They serve as basic memory elements capable of storing a single byte of information. Understanding of flip-flops is crucial for designing a complex digital system like register and memory units. What is flip-flop? You all have a question. What is flip-flop and what is the use of it? A flip-flop is a vestible device that can hold two stable states. It changes its output state based on input signals and a clock pulses. Flip-flops are classified into various types including SR, D, JK and T flip-flops. We are familiar with the T flip-flops. Types of flip-flop. SR flip-flop is the simplest type, like with set and reset inputs. And D flip-flop is a single data input and captures the value at the clock edge. JK flip-flop combines the features of SR and toggling in its state, while T flip-flop is designed for toggling a operation. Now we are going to learn about what are the operation we are going to do in a flip-flops and how we are using it. Now we can see. Flip-flop operates based on a clock signals like which determine when the state can change. The input condition detect the output, allowing for a various operation like storing and toggling. Edge triggered flip flops change the states only at a specific moments, enhancing a synchronization in a circuits. Like next, what about the application we can have in flip flops and how can we use? Flip flops are used in a digital circuits for a data storage and a transfer. They play a critical role in designing a register, counters, and finite state of machines. Application extend to a memory device and sequentially logical circuit in a computers. Flip-flops in a memory design. How it will be used in a memory design? Flip-flops are integrally components of random access memory, which we call as RAM in the short form system. They're helping in building static RAM like SRM cells, like static random access memory cells that retain data as long as a power is supplied. Each byte in a static random access memory is typically stored in a set of flip-flops, enhancing a data retrieval speeds. Timing and consideration. What are the timing and what are the consideration? The timing of a clock signals is crucial for a proper flip-flop operation. Setup time and hold time are essential parameters that must be satisfied. Violating this timing constraints can lead to incorrect data storage or metastability issues. Advantage of using a flip-flop. Like what all the advantage we can get from using of this flip-flop instrument. Flip-flop provides a reliable storage of a binary information in a digital circuits. They enable a synchronization of a data transfer between a different parts of a system. This simplicity allows for easy integration into a larger system without a significant complexity. Challenges with flip-flops. What are the challenges we can get from this flip-flop using? Flip-flops can be sensitive to noise, potentially leading to errors, state changes. Power consumption can be concerned in a large-scale application, particularly in a battery-operated device. Design with the flip-flops requires careful attention to timing and signal integrity. Now here we comes to the end of this. Now what are the conclusion and what are the things we now learned about this flip-flops? Flip-flops are essential for modern digital electronics, you have known, and surviving as a fundamental storage elements, it is also you known, and their device application make them critical for memory and a logical circuit design. This also you know. A true understanding of flip-flop is necessary for anyone to involved in a digital design. Thank you everyone. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel.